If you want to use a memory card on Google Pixel 11, then unfortunately you cannot use the SIM tray. As you can see here, the SIM tray has one physical SIM card slot, and that is all that we have in here. Unfortunately, there is no way to use microSD card and put it into the SIM tray over here, which is something that you can usually do if it is possible to use a memory card. So what you need to do, if you really want to have access to the microSD card storage, you need to use an additional accessory such as a memory card reader. And the memory card reader should allow you to insert your microSD card. So you can use that, and then with the USB-C cable, you can connect it to the phone, and then you can access the microSD card storage. And yes, I can understand if it's very inconvenient to use on a daily basis, and that is really not the point to, of course, walk around with this thing connected to your phone all the time. Of course, there are memory card readers that are smaller than this one, but still, probably no one really wants to walk around with anything connected to the phone all the time. So you should be able to use the accessory, the memory card reader with USB cable, only in situations where you really need to access the microSD card storage. So not all the time, but only in certain situations where you need to open the storage and, for example, either open some files from the microSD card or to transfer some files to the microSD card or from the card, of course. And that is pretty much it. Other than that, of course, you cannot really put it into the SIM tray, so unfortunately this is the only thing that we can do. Leave a like and subscribe.